It's been what? How long?
2 years, maybe about.
Dust will come off. Yeah, right side. Do you feel anything when I go right versus left?
No, just pressure.
Left is different. Any of these?
Nothing yet.
That was good. You okay?
Oh yeah.
Anything tender up here?
No.
Relax into it. Take a deep breath. And all the way up. Nice. Crunchy little ones. And relax into it. Is it tender there?
Yeah.
Here? Yeah?
There,
Yeah? Just drop like you're gonna fall off the table. So it's a sacrum, not the area. You can put your hands on your belly. Just check here first. Left side, right side.
That's it. That's it. I told you.
Found it. We'll call that the doorbell. Just relax into it.
Oh. Woo.
Money. Turn red like that.
Yeah.
My face flushed.
Yeah. You can see your blood, which is good. Are you getting dizzy or anything?
No.